When a pupil opens the Pupil's Practice Kit for Level 5 of Academy Stars, they'll see a menu of contents. In every unit, there are self-study activities. These activities allow pupils to work in their own time and at their own pace. This is one of the advantages of self-study. Another advantage when doing this online is that when the pupil completes an activity, their answers are checked automatically, providing immediate feedback for the pupil without creating extra work for the teacher. Let's look at Unit 3, Adventure Time. You can see that this pupil got 100% on Grammar Activity 1. So let's continue to Grammar Activity 2. Click on the activity name to open the activity. The pupil should read the instructions and complete the activity. You can see that they've already started this activity, so it's almost complete. Let's do one more together. We have to write a question using ever, and then choose which answer goes with it. Have you ever flown in a plane? We can match the answer to the question by clicking the one we want to choose and then clicking the empty space under the question. If the pupil wants to do part of the activity and come back to finish later, they can click Save Answers. And if the pupil realizes they've made mistakes or they want to start again for some other reason, they can click Reset, and the activity will return to its original incomplete status. But we won't do that now. Let's complete the activity. When the pupil has finished the whole activity, they can click Submit to check their answers. If they've made any mistakes, they have a chance to try and fix these before clicking Submit again. Click here in the top right to close the activity and return to the Pupil's Practice Kit menu. And now you can see a mark for Grammar Activity 2.